It really depends on your mentality. I have to say that this is only one layer of the men and women things. And actually, for me, like an Asian face in Europe, I have to accept not only this, but also only an Asian women face going to the boardroom that is full of white, middle-aged men that they don't listen. My own experience, when I heard my university, the top leader, even the mayor, telling me that, hey, you're Asian face, we cannot promote you even higher.
You're kidding me.
Yeah. And then, I already reached to the dean level, president level, and I say that I'm done. I'm going to do it by myself. I built up my own university. I built up my own hospital. And in the future, you come to my hospital, you come to my university to study.
Empowerment primarily for me is being heard. The equity part is very important. And in that, many a times, not only the family, your blood relatives, but also your partners are very important. And I would really compliment my husband in that, because when we got married, I chose very, very precisely as to who's the person I want to marry.
Oh, you had the choice to do that.
I had a choice to do that. So I was empowered in that regard.
So for me, I had to overcome a lot of challenges, right? And hit a lot of doors and get a lot of rejections and to fail and never give up. So for me, it's really about creating opportunities. And, whether it's a senior gentleman or whether it's a colleague, it's having an opportunity to introduce, to advise and to help.
That everyone here in this room, it's not just the women, it's not just the men, but to spread and to share our vision and understanding and our personal stories about how we got to where we are and what needs to be done. Every country is different, every field is different, but we need to work together to be able to empower women.
We think about empowerment as this big thing that hit you in the face. It's actually a lot of small acts that women before us built and fought for, and we came and stood on their shoulders and built some more. And maybe I want to be a stay-at-home mom, and that's empowerment to me. And maybe you want to go and work 10 jobs, and that's empowerment to you. And maybe in the village, it's that cell phone that Sonny talked about. And maybe it's getting into a boardroom and not feeling small, feeling seen. So empowerment, when we reach that level, when empowerment is personalized.
If you're going to put a timeline on when women were truly acquired freedom to become economically empowered, there were two inventions that made it happen. Most of you probably know it was the washing machine and it was the birth control pill. That gave women freedom. Right, doctor? So those were the two things. So what is a washing machine? It's housework. What is a birth control pill? It is a choice. So I think we need to understand what statistics tell us and then give sweeping statements.
One of the things they did was make available to mobile AI-enabled e-commerce. And it allowed women in rural areas to work remotely because they can run their e-commerce business. But more importantly, the way AI played a role into it is that they could take photographs of the clothes that they were selling and generate images without models or any usage, and then showcase them.
Before I would like to present you a solid example of women entrepreneurship. I have here a lady who cannot speak English, Zakia. She is from a village called PAVILION. 4 years ago, she came to me and said, can you give me, she used to work with the health unit previously before she got married, and she got married. She said, I was sitting, after producing so many children, in one room, I started helping out the women in my village. So she said, in one room, I've opened up a little bit of a clinic and I dish out headaches and pills, etc., drip, etc. So I said, how much money do you need? He said, 25,000 for medicine. But give me the medicine, don't give me the money. Please, one room, 25,000 rupees. Then after some time, she came to me and said, I need a bigger place. Because more women are coming to me for help. So I said, okay. Then she came to me and said, the women in my village, they are exploited because the people who sell the baskets, they give them 12 rupees per basket. And they sell the same basket for 75, 80 rupees. They give them the material, but they give them the basket. So I said, okay, we'll give you the material. So we gave her the material. Now she gives the people who make baskets, she gives them 36 rupees instead of 12 rupees. And approximately she makes about 5,000 to 6,000 baskets a month. Right now she's saying directly. Then she came to me and said, the women have teeth problems, the male do not allow them to go to a medical unit. So we bought second-hand dental unit and put a dental unit there, right? The dental unit, then now she's a full-fledged dentist. She got 30 to 40 women come to her for teeth because they can't go to the male dentist because of teeth problem, right? Then she started, she gave me sewing machine, 10 sewing machines, it's up to 100 sewing machines now, right? And then they started, other than that, she said, she said, they're destitute women when they don't have dowry, they don't have makeup. She said, we make a salon and give them the salon. So now she started training women on salons. Those women have opened up 4 salons in that town. Right now, that is women interested.